In the era of global energy transition, smart manufacturing demands partners who deliver not just equipment, but certainty. Huiyao Laser, your intelligent partner for precision-driven production. We design modular, scalable automation for the entire battery value chain, from cell to pack to recycling. Our systems are engineered for rapid deployment, seamless integration, and process stability exceeding 99.8% yield. Whether you produce prismatic, pouch, or cylindrical cells, we adapt to your standards, your footprint, and your pace. With proven deployments across 3 continents, our laser welding, vision inspection, and robotic handling systems are built for performance. They reduce downtime, increase throughput, and maintain consistent quality across high-volume production environments. This is why leading manufacturers in Europe, North America, and Asia rely on our solutions for their most critical production lines. We deliver turnkey readiness, from initial concept and factory layout to installation, training, and lifetime support. Every project includes a dedicated international engineering team, remote diagnostics, and performance guarantees backed by local service networks. Your production continuity is our commitment. As battery technology evolves, we evolve with you. Our R&D teams focus on next-generation challenges, faster cycle times, material adaptability, and sustainable lifecycle management. We don't just follow standards, we help set them, together with our partners worldwide. Huiyao Laser Technology, where precision meets productivity. Engineered for your ambition, built for tomorrow's energy landscape. Let's build your competitive edge together.